Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Chile, so we will be going through this agenda. Proof of address. To prove your address, you need to upload either one of these documents, certificate of residency or sworn declaration. If you upload these documents, please make sure they have either a signature, a QR code, or a stamp. Non-affiliation to the AFP. If this is your first job, you can upload a document stating you are not contributing to the pension fund and that you agree with us enrolling you on the current year's AFP bidding winner. Health certificate. Make sure you're affiliated to the health insurance as the owner of the insurance, not the beneficiary. Non-affiliation to Fonasa. If you are not affiliated to a health insurance, you can upload a non-affiliation to Fonasa certificate. But please note, we will affiliate you as soon as you are hired. This is mandatory by law. Pension fund transfer. If you're a foreigner living in Chile that wants to make their pension contributions to their country's system instead of Chile's, you need to A. Be a foreign professional technician in accordance with the provisions of Article 1 of Law 18-156 and Paragraph 1 of Circular Number 553 of 1988 of the Superintendents of Pension Fund Administrators, and B. Be affiliated to a pension or social security system outside Chile, which provides benefits, at least, in cases of illness, disability, old age, and death. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.